Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha says the Quraysh were extremely worried about a woman of Makhzum who committed larceny. The people said, "Who will talk to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam regarding her?" Some people said, "Who can dare to do so saves Hazrat Usama bin Zaid, for he is an apple of Prophet's eye." So Hazrat Usama radiyallahu anhu talked to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam in this connection. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Are you interceding regarding the prescribed punishments?" Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam got up and giving a sermon said, "Undoubtedly the people prior to you underwent the demise, because if any affluent person would commit larceny, they would leave him, and when a poor man would commit theft, they would execute the prescribed punishment on him. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, if Fatima radiyallahu anha, the daughter of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, had committed larceny, I would have cut her hand." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 3475.